Hello, welcome to the channel, and today we are going to look at how to do descriptive statistics using the software called JASP. So I'm going to show you how you go about doing the descriptive statistics, yes, and where you get to find it. So we are going to use the CF grades data. So the first thing you have to do is to click on this show main menu, then click on open. And I want to use these grades, these CF grades JASP. So make sure you know where your data is, and that's where you'll get it from. So I click here, and the next thing I'll have to do is wait for the data to load so that I can be able to run the necessary descriptive statistics. So mostly we're going to look at to find the mean, average, or the average, standard deviation, variance, max, and median, and mode. So to do that, you click on, after data was opened, you click on descriptives, and then you select what you want. So for example, I want, let's say I want what? Let's say I want to find the mean for quiz 3. Just click on this quiz and then click here. And you can see we have the descriptive statistics for quiz 3. So you can see we have the mean, standard deviation. So if you want to add more, you can click here to add more. So let's say you want to see the mode, you click mode. If you want to see the median, you click here median, and the median value will appear there. If maybe you want to see the skewness, you click skewness. If you want to see the kurtosis, click here. If you want to see the sum, you click there. And that's how you do it. You can also do for grades. You can click on, maybe let's say you have to do for total, click it here, and maybe you want to split it by row and up division. You can see we have row and upper divisions, and that's basically how you do the descriptive statistics in JASP. In case you have any issue or need inquiry, let me know. I'll leave the email down here. Please subscribe, please share, and comment on the video. Thank you, and see you soon.